Hi, my name is Alexis, and I'll be going over the part 2 of the opportunity cost of education. So my group member was going over part 1, and he was pretty much summing up by talking about the opportunity cost that we're missing out on by going to school instead of working. Now that total was $106,940.11. Now we used my loans in specific from Weber's Weber International Statements, financial statements, just to give us a better idea, an example of what type of numbers we're working with. And so our loans from Weber are through Cornerstone. They have specific loan amounts, specific interest rates, and they have things where you can calculate everything that you're paying all together. So my loans per year were $4,913. Their set interest rate was 6.8%, and my total loans was $19,784.08. Now, you have 10 years to pay loans off. This is 120 periods. Now, Cornerstone monthly required minimum payment for me that they had set, using the calculator, being able to calculate all the numbers and everything like that, was $227.68. Now, depending on how much I make after graduation, I'll be able to pay the loan off sooner. I won't necessarily have to do 120 periods. I might be able to cut it in half into 5 years. Now, how much am I going to make after graduation? Now, the average starting salary in the United States as of 2019 for someone with a bachelor's degree is $50,944. This means somebody in the United States with a bachelor's degree makes at least $1,000 a week on average, compared to people without bachelor's degrees who are at least making $860 a week. To determine everything in regards to is this even worth it? How long will it take to pay off the loans? When will I break even? I used first MoneyChamp, a CAGR stock market calculator to determine what the market rate is looking like. And it looks like after putting in the data to use 2019 to 2009, which would have been 10 years prior, the average return is 15.28%. The annualized return is equal to the true CAGR, which is 14.68%. The standard deviation is 4% less than the annualized return, and the $1 grew to $4.51. So we're going to use the market rate 14.68%. Now, to be able to figure out what we're going to be bringing in monthly, I'm going to take $50,944 and divide it by 12, which is the 12 months within a year. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and use that number to subtract how much the monthly payment is. Now, after dividing the $50,994 by 12, I got $4,250, which is pretty much rounded out, subtracted from the $227.60 that I have to pay every month for my loans. This left me with $3,972.31. Now, after calculating the present value, which is the payment, the rate, the number of periods, and the future value, I had a present value of $337.27. The future value is equal to the opportunity cost total, which again was the $106,940.10. Now, this ultimately means we're going to be making well over what we pretty much paid in school loans. Now, just in 1 year, if we're making $50,994 and our loans only cost $19,000, you could pay these loans off within 3 to 4 years if you do it correctly. If you're doing more than the $200 a month, if you just think realistically. Now, I really believe that it's worth it for me to go to school. I was one to struggle with making decisions from working to going to school, but I did feel that in my heart that I'd have a greater return. The rate of return is way greater than what the future value would have been of the $106,940, because that is over 4 years. In 4 years, I multiply 4 times the $50,994, and that's literally double the future value. So I believe that going to school is worth it. I believe that though the financial struggle is serious, all 4 years, even trying to make a minimum wage job to work part-time, it's something that is a part of growing, maturing, is a part of understanding that being patient is key. Being patient all these 4 years, and I only have 1 semester left, this project here really is giving me a little bit more peace, more understanding, knowing there's more to come, greater to come, more money to be made than I thought I was missing out on, more money than whatever my loans cost, plus more, because the $50,994 is just, you know, an average set number. This is not including promotions. It's not including anything like that causes, you know, your money to go up. This is not including bonuses or anything like that, extra hours or anything like that. So I really hope that this video could help somebody else. I hope this video helps other college students. I hope this video helps teachers, you know, to understand that is a little bit of a struggle, you know, that they could probably teach their students, you know, that getting a bachelor's degree is a good thing. It's hard to get one, but all you gotta do is stay consistent, stay focused, and just stay strong, stay focused. Again, like I said, just do what you have to do to make it work, because in return, I'm excited to see where this takes us.